In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or hoping to replace your traditional job, the internet provides a wealth of options. Below, we'll explore some of the most popular methods for generating income online. Subscribe for more amazing content, hit that like button if you enjoyed, and don't forget to share with your friends. So, let's get started. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. It could be writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, or any other skill you possess. You can find freelance opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Clients hire you for specific tasks or projects and pay you for your work. Blogging. Blogging is creating and regularly updating written content on a specific topic on a website. Initially, you may not make much, but as your audience grows, you can monetize through various methods like affiliate marketing, promoting products for a commission, sponsored content, getting paid to write about or review products, and selling products or services related to your blog's niche. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can promote products on your blog, social media, or through email marketing. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program, but there are many others available. Content creation, YouTube, podcasting, TikTok. Creating video or audio content on platforms like YouTube, Spotify, or TikTok can be monetized through ad revenue, YouTube Partner Program, sponsorships. Companies pay you to promote their products or services, and merchandise sales, example, branded merchandise or products related to your content. Online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a specific field, you can create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a wide audience. Dropshipping and E-commerce. With dropshipping, you create an online store and sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. This allows you to start an e-commerce business with lower upfront costs. Stock market and cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies involves buying and selling financial assets with the hope of making a profit. Keep in mind that this can be risky and may require a good understanding of financial markets. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate projects alongside other investors through online platforms. You can participate in real estate ventures with smaller investment amounts compared to traditional real estate investing. Online surveys and reviews. Participating in online surveys, writing reviews, or completing small tasks on platforms like Swagbucks or Amazon's Mechanical Turk can earn you small payments or gift cards. Keep in mind that the payouts may not be significant. Virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you provide administrative or technical support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, research, and more. Remote consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific field, like business, health, or personal development, you can offer consulting or coaching services remotely. This could be done via video calls, phone calls, or email correspondence. Social media management and marketing. Help businesses or individuals manage their social media presence. This may involve creating content, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and running advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Today, we've explored a diverse range of opportunities for earning money online. Whether you're a freelancer showcasing your unique skills, a blogger sharing your passion, or an affiliate marketer partnering with leading brands, there's a path for everyone. Content creators can thrive on platforms like YouTube, while educators can impart their knowledge through courses and ebooks. E-commerce entrepreneurs can now start their journey with dropshipping, and investors can explore options in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate crowdfunding. For those seeking more immediate rewards, online surveys and reviews can offer a quick boost. Virtual assistants and consultants play crucial roles in supporting businesses remotely, and social media experts can help brands flourish in the digital landscape. Remember, success in any of these endeavors requires dedication, continuous learning, and a genuine passion for what you do. So, find your niche, seize the opportunities, and embark on your online earning journey today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on maximizing your online potential. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck in your online ventures.